Tired of oily messes and unhealthy aerosol sprays in your kitchen? What if you could enjoy the convenience of a fine oil mist without the chemicals, waste, or extra calories? That's exactly what the MISTO reusable oil sprayer promises. A simple, effective way to add flavor and control to your cooking, all while being better for your health and the environment. I've been using MISTO for a few weeks now, and it's been a game changer. Unlike traditional spray oils that often come out in a heavy stream or clog quickly, MISTO delivers a consistent, even mist every time. It's easy to use. Just fill it with your favorite oil, vinegar, or even lemon juice, pump it up, and spray. The two-step pump and press valve design ensures you get just the right amount, whether you're dressing a salad, sautéing veggies, or grilling chicken. Plus, the BPA-free bottle means no harmful chemicals leach into your food. What really sold me was how much control I have over my oil usage. I'm watching my calories but still want that perfect browning and crunch on my grilled sandwiches. With MISTO, I get the flavor without the excess fat. It's also refillable and doesn't rely on chemical propellants like aerosol cans, so I'm cutting down on waste and landfill trash. The sprayer is durable and easy to clean. Just remember to loosen the collar after use to prevent clogging and keep it spraying smoothly. If you're someone who cooks often and cares about what goes into your food, MISTO is worth a look. It works with olive, canola, vegetable oil, and more, making it versatile for all your kitchen needs. The sleek design looks great on the counter, so it's always within reach when you need it. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or dressing a salad, MISTO helps you cook smarter and healthier. Ready to upgrade your cooking routine with a sprayer that actually works? Try MISTO when you're ready. It's a small change that makes a big difference: better flavor, less waste, and more control over your health. Give it a shot and see how easy it is to add just the right touch of oil every time.